Embark on adventures with confidence and sustainability. Discover 4 essential tools that every trekker must have to conquer the wild safely and responsibly. First gear. Introducing the Leatherman Signal, your ultimate adventure companion. Made in the USA and backed by a 25-year warranty, this 19-in-1 multi-tool is engineered for the unexpected. At just 9.6 ounces, it's your compact, lightweight solution for every challenge the outdoors throws your way. From setting up camp to signaling for help, the Signal has you covered. Praised for its durable build and sharp, long-lasting tools, it's the essential EDC for camping, hiking, and beyond. Don't just take on the outdoors, conquer it with the Leatherman Signal. Be prepared, thrive outdoors. Find yours now. Adventure awaits, but safety comes first. Meet the Surviveware Comprehensive Premium First Aid Kit, your essential companion for every journey. Packed with 100 high-quality essentials for cuts, scrapes, and burns, this kit is designed for quick access in emergencies, ensuring you're always prepared. Crafted from tough 600D polyester, water and rip-resistant with MOLA straps for easy attachment. Surviveware empowers your adventures with peace of mind. Surviveware, where preparedness and adventure meet, ready for anything, anywhere. Now, introducing Swiss Safe's Emergency Mylar Thermal Blankets, the ultimate survival essential. Designed to keep you warm and protected in the most extreme conditions. Lightweight yet durable, our blankets are engineered for maximum heat retention, ensuring 90% of your body heat stays with you, all while being waterproof and windproof. Plus, every pack includes a bonus space blanket, making sure you're prepared for any adventure. Swiss Safe isn't just a name, it's a promise. Final in the list, introducing the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter, your essential companion for hiking, camping, and emergencies. Transform any natural water source into safe, drinkable water. Equipped to remove more than 99.99% of waterborne bacteria and 99.999% of parasites, LifeStraw ensures every sip is clean and safe. It's rigorously tested, durable, and provides up to 1,000 gallons of purified water. Make an impact. With every purchase, you provide a child with safe drinking water for an entire school year. Stay hydrated, stay safe with LifeStraw. Adventure awaits, but not without the right gear. Empower your treks and embrace the wilderness like never before. Support your adventures and our channel by checking out these essentials through the links below. Gear up, stay safe, and make every outdoor adventure unforgettable.